How to use Costco Pharmacy for prescriptions. Hello, everybody. Welcome back to our channel. If you'd like to use Costco Pharmacy for prescriptions, you may follow up the steps. So you can either do that online or fill them in person. If you're online, go to Costco Pharmacy website, open it up onto your device. You can hit over or even access the application. And once you are there, you can just go ahead and sign up into your account. After you're signed up, you can basically, if you have an existing prescriptions at another pharmacy, you can transfer them to Costco online. So what you can do is head over to the section of transferring prescriptions. After that, you may select up your pharmacy from which you would like to transfer the prescriptions and also provide the pharmacy phone number. After that, tap on continue prescription details and go ahead and fill out the form, and you can just go ahead and order the new prescription from that following method. If you're looking for pharmacy nearby you, look out for find a pharmacy option, and once you find it up, just go ahead and locate up your pharmacy nearby you and then refill the information. Just go ahead and provide your prescriptions there. And then you may just go ahead and decide whether to have your medications delivered by mail or pick them at a Costco pharmacy, and you can track the status of your prescriptions, orders online or through the application. If you're visiting the pharmacy offline, what you can do is you can just head over to the warehouses and walk up to the counter to fill the prescriptions. And the uh, in store will allow you to have a valid Costco membership to fill the prescriptions. Just go ahead and provide them, and Costco accepts various payment method. Once processed, you can pick up your prescriptions at the counter, and that's it. So if you'd also like to use Costco Pharmacy for prescriptions, you may head over and follow up the steps. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we'll be seeing you in another video.